The reason we want to dilute into a carrier oil is that if you put the oil on neat, you may develop some skin sensitivity, but also you don't absorb as much. So if you use the oils, the essential oils neat, and you put them on the skin neat, you will absorb about 4% of the oil. If you use a carrier oil, you'll absorb about 10% of what you put on. And if you use a carrier oil and you cover it up with a cloth or anything that is wet or something on top, then you can absorb up to about 75% of the oil. So really it makes sense to dilute. One, because you'll use less oil, so it's cheaper, and two, you are likely to get a better efficiency, and you also don't develop the sensitivity to the oil that you may do if you keep putting a particular oil on the same bit of skin every time. There are different ways you can use the oils. So you can just put a little bit in your hand, and we usually say for a teaspoonful of carrier oil, put about 3 drops of essential oil in. But you can also dilute into little roller bottles. So here's a lavender diluted, and you just literally roll it on the skin. You can make your own combination. I've got one here called a happy roller, and you just roll it on the skin, and when you roll it on, you will also breathe it in, so you get absorption both through the skin and through your lungs, and you will affect the limbic system. Another way that I like to use it is by using a body lotion, and you can use the body lotion. This is completely natural and it's unscented. Put a drop of cream on, and then you can take a skin oil like lavender, put a drop of that in, and you have made your own purpose-made cream. But not only is it a moisturizing cream, but the oil that you will absorb through it will affect your whole system. So that's cream, fractionated coconut oil, or you can use some of them neat. Say for instance lavender, if it is a bee sting or a mosquito bite, I would probably just grab the bottle and put it on neat. With doTERRA's essential oils, they are approved for internal use because they are guaranteed to be pure. And there are different ways you can take them internally. You can literally take a glass of water, and I'll get a glass of water. You need to check that the oil you're putting in can be taken internally, and you can just put 1 or 2 drops in and drink it. That's lemon, it tastes lovely. You can also put just a drop under the tongue, and that is something that we suggest you do with either copaiba or frankincense. If you put it under your tongue, you get very rapid absorption through your mucous membranes. If it is a hot oil, you don't want to put it directly in your mouth or even in water. What you can do is you can use these veggie caps. You take them out, you open them, and you literally put a drop of oil in. And you can dilute it if you like with olive oil or with fractionated coconut oil. You put the capsule back together again and swallow it like a tablet. Now, doTERRA do have some of their oils that come ready-made in little soft gels. It is sort of some of the most popular ones for internal use. So that's the 3 uses, or 3 ways of using them.